Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail text formatting options. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to use Gmail text formatting options on PC. Launch any browser on your computer, and visit the official site of Gmail. Click on the Sign In option available on the top right of the interface. It redirects you to the Sign In page. Enter your email address, and click on Next. Provide the password in the column, and click on Next. After successful login, it takes you to the inbox page. Click on the Compose option available on the left menu bar. Then the Compose window will open on the right bottom of the interface. Enter all the details like recipient address, subject, and body of the text. On the bottom of the Compose window, you will find the formatting options bar. If you didn't find it, click on the A icon indicating in the tutorial. Then it displays the options bar. Font is the first option available on the bar. Select the text and click on the font option. Then it displays various fonts to choose from. Click on the font to apply. Click on the icon indicating in the tutorial to change the size of the text. An options list will open and shows different text sizes. Choose the size based on your requirement. To make the text bold, select the text and click on the B icon. To make the text italic, click on the I icon. To underline the selected text, click on the U icon. You can change the color of the text and the background color. Select the text, and click on the A icon. Then it displays two color palettes. One is for text color and other color is for background of the selected text. Click on the Align icon, and it displays three alignment options. Use the alignment based on your requirement. Click on the icons indicating in the tutorial to add button points to your text. You will find few more formatting options by clicking on the drop-down icon. That's it. This is how you can format your text in Gmail. How to use Gmail text formatting options in mobile. Launch the Gmail application on your mobile. Tap on the Compose option available on the right bottom of the interface. It takes you to the Compose page. Enter all the details in the respective columns. Long press on the text present in the body of the email. It displays a list of options. Choose the Format option from that list. Then a menu bar will be seen on the bottom. From that menu, you can add bold, italic, underline, text color, background color to the selected text. To remove the added formatting, just tap on the icon indicating the tutorial. That's it. This is how you can use the Gmail formatting options in mobile. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.